5.59.
Kusangpala, do you know how many people in Bhutan are affected by H. pylori? This bacterium infects the stomach lining and can cause gastritis, ulcer, and even stomach cancer. Among those tested, 119,854 were found positive and received triple therapy, resulting in a national H. pylori positivity rate of 32%. Testing is expensive. Each kit cost about 𝐂𝐡𝐴600. Last year, more than 370,000 people were screened, totaling an estimated 𝐂𝐴222 million spent from the health budget.
Cutting the cost for the health care, because right now the government is only spending for the health care. We are putting a lot of money, we buy everything from outside. This rapid diagnostic test kits, everything we buy from outside, all rapid diagnostic test kits. Now, the cost is almost like a 1:10 when we produce here and when we buy from outside. If that is the ratio, then we are going to save a lot of money if we produce the test kits here. Hopefully with the support of some good companies, under their brand name, we can also export these test kits.
But Bhutan is now changing its game. With support from JICA, the country is producing its own rapid test kits, cutting costs by 90%, potentially saving over 𝐂𝐴64 million for test kits.
We try to learn manually, but they're doing all in robotic systems. But they taught us everything in manual, so which we brought that knowledge here, and then we try to implement here under the JICA setting project.
Currently, 4 Bhutanese doctors are trained in kit production. 2 received hands-on training in Japan, while the other 2 were trained locally. The manufacturing facilities is based at the Royal Center for Disease Control.
So with these endoscopes, we'll be able to detect the cancer very early. And if detected early, we can remove that portion of the stomach and will not progress further to become the advanced cancer. Now, second thing is the training. The training component, actually, we have the Japanese gastroenterologists coming here on rotation basis. They stay here for 2 to 3 months. They train the endoscopists in Bhutan to how to detect early gastric cancer. They refine our technique and then make us more efficient.
JICA has awarded a PhD scholarship to support research focused on H. pylori.
Prevalence rate in the children is about 19%. So Helicobacter pylori is still a problem in Bhutan. The reason why we focus on children is because during the flagship program, the program focused mainly on adult above 18 years old, and also the flagship program, I think it concluded in 2000, and of course did not look at the children. So my main objective was to see, because H. pylori is transmitted through fecal-oral route, so if the mothers were eradicated and there is no H. pylori, we know that the children will not have H. pylori.
With Japanese expertise and Bhutanese determination, the country is preparing to make its own H. pylori test kits, a homegrown solution that could save millions of 𝐂𝐴 and countless lives. This is Isha Dalma for Bhutan Today News with cameraman 𝐂𝐡𝐿.